Shoot, I don't have the dang mic. Back with another PC build. This is being built in the NZXT H5 Flow RGB case. I selected this case for this young man because I didn't want him to have anything too big, too bulky. It kind of resembles the same size as the one that I bought for my sons. I think those are the H510Is. They got RGBs in those too. And I've got a Corsair 4000D. So giving them something that's big enough to hold this ATX motherboard, hold this 5070 that is going in there, and providing it with enough power with this 850. I chose to go with AM4 platform because when you're working with a budget, you gotta stay inside that budget. We went over that budget maybe $20, $30, but it was still within budget. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take this case out of this box. I'm gonna put it up here and we're gonna get this PC built. Everything is plugged up. I got a mouse, I've got a keyboard, and I've got a monitor. I know the monitor is on and working. I've already hit the switch on the power supply button. That makes no sense. I already hit the switch on the power supply. So now, the moment of truth. Or maybe I didn't hit that button. Now we've got lights. Now. What? No way. Okay. I had the front panel plugged in the wrong spot. So, let's see what happens now. All right, I don't like all that flashing. Oh my God. Go through the system check. Do we have power? A signal? Oh, okay, we got a green light. We got power. All right. Let me get this configured and I'll be back. So it's the next day and I've completely forgot about giving y'all an update on this whole thing. But as of right now, PC is working. And his favorite color is red, so I went ahead and changed the lights to red. I gotta figure out why the fan light is not red, and I'll figure that out later. But we are here. Everything is basically downloaded. I got the main apps he's going to need straight out of the gate. Well, I can delete this one. I'm gonna delete that one. But the games he plays are pretty much on EA, Epic, and of course that's the graphics card, and everything else is on Steam. What I would like to do, like I said, with those 3 hard drives, I like to make the second M.2 the main drive, and any other hard drives, like I said, that 4 terabyte, make that the storage drive. Of course, you got your local drive. We don't really mess with the letters with that. But yeah, man, this is basically the PC done. So at this point, I want to make sure I got everything, but motherboard, graphics card updated, NZXT, the case, the case doesn't really need an update, but because of the RGB lights, want to make sure all of that is good, which of course it is, because you see the red lights are showing. But yeah, man, this is basically it. He will be getting this PC tomorrow in real time. By the time y'all watch this, Tuesday or Wednesday, it depends on when me and his dad can meet with both of our work schedules. So appreciate y'all for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.